Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3. SWAT is needed for high-risk arrest, warrant service, and possible hostage rescue at Bronx. Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and kidnapping charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside. Suspect...
Hey guys, look, it's the cops. Yeah. The cops. Driving down the road with their sirens on. I guess I wonder what they're doing. They're kind of stopping at my door. Plus we have a concert in the backyard. Hey, I wonder who's at my door. Man, Rover, shut up. Alright, Dad, you can answer since you just got off the toilet. Thank you.
You're waking the neighbors! Stop! You're waking the neighbors! Stop!
This is the police. Please answer your phone.
I'm the dog, the big bad dog, the bounty hunter!
Oh.
This is a 2009 Christmas light show.
By Camden Zielinski.